we can achieve the abstraction by using the interface and abstract class. In the case of interface, we only need to provide the declaration part of the data members, and the implementation part will be provided by the class who will implement this interface. And in the case of abstract class, it have both thing, means the declaration part as well as the implementation part. And in the case of abstract method, the body part of the abstract method will be provided by the drive classes. Okay, so in the case of abstract class, we can use this one if we want to provide some common functionality from top to bottom approach, like in the hierarchy fashion. Okay, and in the case of interface, it will provide some contract. As you can see in the image, it will provide some contract between interface and implementer. Okay, so interface only provide the, you can say, the signature of the method, and the definition will be provided by the implementer who will implement according their condition or their usability. Okay, but in the case of abstract class, it will provide their implementer, means the drive classes, some common thing, some method it will provide, but some method definition will be provided by the child classes. Okay, so in what cases I will prefer which one? Okay, so if in the you can say, if the same method, all the relevant related method is available in the different type of classes, so in that case we should go for the interface. If same method or related method is available in the same type of classes, so in that case we should go for the abstract class. What does this mean? So in the case of top to bottom, means hierarchy class hierarchy fashion, if you want to provide some common functionality, so in that case we should go for the abstract class. And in the case of, you can say, tiering concept or the contract, so in that case we should go for the interfaces. Okay, and interface is slower than the abstract class, because abstract class can have direct execution between the top to the bottom, but interface methods should be uh, captured in the runtime, means where it will be implemented first, it will identify and then it will provide the implementation details of the method. So interface will be slower than the abstract class, but both have their different use cases. Okay, so if you have any query, any concern related to this one, then you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.